Takta, the electronic research and production company, was established in 1977 to meet technical needs of the Islamic Republic of Iran's broadcasting. After the Great Islamic Revolution, the company entered its operative phase and, by supplying the needed professional broadcasting equipment, has extended excellent services to the Islamic Republic of Iran Broadcasting, the IRIB. Takta has taken effective steps in the broadcasting domain and production of low-power transmitters to guarantee the country's self-sufficiency in view of special political condition of the country and of the region. It is an honor for the company, which has several decades of working and valuable experience, to produce and offer enormous facilities and equipment required by the IRIB. Among Takta's products, reference should be made to a variety of low and medium UHF, VHF, FM transmitters, different kinds of UHF, VHF, and BTS transmitters, power splitters, combiners, filters, amplifiers, feed sources, stabilizers, and trans-isolators. More than 70% of the low-power transmitters in use all over the country are produced by the company. Takta is now busy with highly important and effective projects. The DVB-H or mobile TV is an example of such projects. The project puts Iran in the list of few countries which bring broadcast services to mobile handsets with DVB-H. MapFinder and MapLeader are among other projects that will be tried by Takta in the future and will be available to the users through mobile phones. Another project successfully and honorably handled by Takta is MPEG-4 decoder. It is the most modern and efficient method of video compression technology on Earth. MPEG-4 makes compression of audio and visual digital data possible. The system is successfully used in Tehran. It makes simultaneous broadcasting of 8 TV programs in high quality on a single frequency possible. Furthermore, the DVB-H services, such as e-learning and e-shopping, can be added to the list of the company services and innovations. Another project which Takta is now handling is the AM radio transmitter with power ranges of 50 and 100 kilowatts. While addressing the IRIB needs, the project has the capacity to turn into a digital system as well. Since projects of Takta are mainly produced on an order basis, a production control and planning unit was needed to be set up in the company to constantly control the whole production stage and accelerate engagement among different sections, including the R&D, quality control, procurement, and warehouse units. Collection of the factors as well as specialized approach of the company directors, and most importantly, technical capability of the experienced experts and the existing facilities have created a condition under which Takta products are marketed in the remotest part of the world. The company intends to gain access to the world's latest technology. Regarding the set goal and the bright horizon ahead of the company, it is hoped to witness growing development in different sections of Takta in the near future. It is also hoped that in light of the goal, the company will be able to put its high-powered digital transmitters at the disposal of the country's media. In that case, contrary to foreign media controversy, Iran will be among few states to possess such a technology and industry while gaining other remarkable achievements. The result of all efforts and endeavors of Takta Company's experienced experts is observed in the study, research, and designing departments of the company. The firm comprises 3 main sections: the electronics, mechanics, and electrochemistry sections. In the electronics section's workshops, all operations for assembling electronic boards, and machines for production, testing, early and final modules adjustments and systems are produced. In the mechanics section, whole parts of the system and such products as casing, rock bodies, junctions, parts of antenna and filters are produced. The electrochemistry section 2 is responsible for production of different kinds of printed circuit board with metallized grooves supported by the Teflon-filled phenolic fiber sheets. Tacta is honored to meet the country's need of different kinds of coating. Having highly equipped specialized workshops, it is busy coating allodyne, anodizing, silver and nickel as well as metal and non-metal cadmium coating featured by accelerated salt spraying. Among other specialized workshops of the electrochemistry section is the painting and dyeing workshop. The workshop applies different kinds of the liquid and powder paints for high-velocity sandblast and phosphate iron, allodyne, and aluminum coating with exceptional accelerated salt spraying, thus playing a grave and effective role in durability and quality of products. While marketing its exclusive products, Tacta, as an important research center of the country, also conducts research on national projects using a team of specialized technicians and experts. Presently, Tacta company experts are studying major national projects. A number of the projects are the SDP or Green Energy Project, IT Research Section, and developing highly sophisticated softwares, as well as the RFID project, which is frequently used in automatic administration, collection of personal data, and personnel service. Tacta, the electronic research and production company, the Islamic Republic of Iran Broadcasting.